Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the taskbar is not working on your Windows. So if the taskbar is not working, you can't access into the taskbar icons in the Windows search bar and also in the start button. So on how we can fix that, let's go quick into the process. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and you have to click on settings. Now, here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find personalization. Scroll down and you'll find taskbar behavior system pins. You'll find taskbar behaviors, click on that, and you'll find this option automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure this is unchecked or this is disabled, so you should not check this option. For the next method is you need to press your keys on your laptop. So locate the control key, the shift key, and the escape key together to open the task manager window. It's control plus shift plus the escape key in the initials ESC. Now maximize the task manager window. Then here in the search bar, simply type Explorer. Now make a right click and then select Restart. Close this window and all the icons on your taskbar will disappear for a while and will be back, and after that your problem will be fixed. Then for the next method is we need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So press the Windows key on your keyboard and click on settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to make sure that your Windows is in the latest version and you have downloaded all the latest updates for your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.